How can I troubleshoot issues with Netgear router lights?
Welcome to our guide on how to troubleshoot issues with Netgear router lights. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process on how to identify and solve problems related to your Netgear router lights. These lights are crucial indicators of your router's health and performance, so it's important to understand what they signify and what to do if something seems off.
What do Netgear router lights mean?
Each light on your Netgear router represents a specific function or status. For instance, the power light indicates that the router is turned on, while the internet light shows the status of your internet connection. Wi-Fi light shows wireless connectivity status, and Ethernet lights indicate wired connections. Typically, green or white lights denote normal operation, while amber or red lights suggest issues.
Identifying the problem.
If you notice that your router lights are not displaying as they should, the first step is identifying the specific light that's causing the problem. Is it the power light? The internet light? Or perhaps one of the Ethernet lights? Identifying the specific light at issue is crucial, as each one can point to a different kind of problem.
Common issues and solutions.
If the power light is off or blinking, it usually indicates that the router isn't getting power. Make sure the router is securely plugged into a power outlet, and the power switch is turned on. If the light is still off or blinking after these steps, you might be dealing with a hardware issue. If the internet light is amber or red, it could mean there's a problem with your internet service or the connection between your router and your modem. Try restarting your modem and router. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to contact your internet service provider. If the Wi-Fi light is off, this suggests that the router's wireless function is turned off. You can usually fix this by pressing the Wi-Fi button on your router. If one of the Ethernet lights is off, check that the Ethernet cable connecting your device to the router is secure at both ends. If the light remains off, try a different Ethernet cable to rule out a cable issue.
Resetting your router.
If you're still experiencing issues after troubleshooting, it may be time to reset your router to its factory settings. To do this, locate the small reset button usually found at the back of your router. Use a paperclip or a similar object to press and hold this button for about 7 seconds. Release the button when the power light starts to blink. Remember, resetting your router will erase your current settings, so you'll need to reconfigure it afterward. We hope this video has been helpful in troubleshooting issues with your Netgear router lights. With these steps, you should be able to identify and solve most light-related router issues. However, if you continue to experience problems, it might be time to reach out to Netgear's customer support for further assistance. Happy troubleshooting!